Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Buick Enclave Leather Group, stock number Z6880A. 47,000 miles on this local trade, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, crimson red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7. Leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, thick skylight overhead with sunshade, rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row buckets will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power lift gate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This leather group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, wood and leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the sliding armrest, with even more space below. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 288 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway. All that with new brakes and new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6880A to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.